Okay, first grade, you need to go ahead and put your name at the top of your packet. So go ahead and do that now. And then you are going to go ahead and you're going to write an addition number sentence. So it says there are 4 children playing tag, 2 more children join them. So let's go ahead and let's draw some X's. 4 children playing tag. And then 2 more children join them. Okay, so we have 4. And write 4. And then we have 2. Let's count how many children we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put a number 6 on the line. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Alright, you're going to open up your packet to see and show. And we're going to be working on writing addition number sentences today. So we see that we have 2 green balloons. Write a number 2. We're going to put a plus today in the middle circle. And we see that we have 2 purple balloons. And we're going to put equals right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 balloons in all. Okay. And the same thing with the airplanes. 2 yellow airplanes plus 3 blue airplanes equals, let's count our airplanes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 3 yellow balloons plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue balloons equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balloons in all. Alright, let's count the cars. We have 3 blue cars plus 3 green cars equals, go ahead and count your cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars in all. Go ahead and flip your packet like a pancake. Alright, you're going to do this section on your own, okay? So you need to write how many blue baseball caps there are, plus how many white baseball caps there are here, and then equals, count all of your hats together. And do the same thing for all of these, writing those addition number sentences, okay? Alright, so guys, you can pause it, you can go back and watch that part of the video so that you know what to do, but when you come up and see me, this part of your packet should be finished. So go ahead and pause the video now so that you can do that part, okay? And then press play when you're ready to do the back of your packet. Alright, so it says there are 2 dogs playing, plus 3 more dogs join them. How many dogs are playing in all? So we're going to count 2 plus 3, okay? So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs in all. Okay? It says Susie sees 2 bees flying around a flower. We're going to do 2 plus Susie, she sees 4 more bees around the flower. So we're going to put a 4. I'm going to put equals. So let's do 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bees in all. Go ahead and put an X down here in your right math. And when you are all done with all 3 pages, including your on my own, you can bring it up to me so I can check it, and then you'll get on iReady Math.